You know, every time we come out here to Terra Casa, we find something that is unique and beautiful. So Diana, I just saw these stunning night lights. Tell me about them.
So when I go to market, one of the things I like to do is find something new and
Right.
different, and we're always having people in that are trying to find the perfect gift for the person who has everything. And I was very drawn to these just because of the warm light, but also all the different styles. This is a lost art from the 1800s called lithophanes.
Really?
And Marty Kubicki, who started this, saw this lost art and decided to come back to the United States and figure out how to make them. So they actually carve wax with a light behind it to find out the varying degrees of light to let it through. Then
Wow.
he makes some mold out of it. They're made out of porcelain, they're poured with porcelain, and then they're fired at 2,300 degrees for 12 hours.
Wow.
So they're just stunningly beautiful, and there's dragonflies, and there's man in the moon, and there's wine and fleur-de-lis, and a bunch of different scenes that just, you can give it to an adult, to a child, they're timeless.
Any holiday would be perfect.
Any
for
holiday,
that,
they're good
yeah.
year round, exactly.
And that's what I like about it, because it really brings a bit of ancient world right here into our modern world.
Yes,
Lovely.
and it is. And with it being a lost art, I was fascinated. Of course, his booth was just stunning because he had so many different
Right.
displays set up. And they do lamps.
Wow.
And they
Oh,
do
my.
lanterns. And you can use them all throughout your house.
So Diane, there's also one more thing we're going to look at. Let's walk over there.
Okay.
So Diana, this is lovely stuff, and one of the things I enjoy about your location is you always, every season of holiday, you seem to have some Christmas stuff that you bring back to add collections to. Tell me about this wonderful stuff.
So this is Fitz and Floyd, and they do beautiful, beautiful, intricate ceramic ware that you can give as gifts, or
Right.
you can gift to yourself. I remember getting my first Fitz and Floyd piece in my early 20s, and I have in turn given them as gifts. They're just stunning, and people like to add to their collections. We carry several different lines of collectibles. We carry the Jim Shore line, Fitz and Floyd, Willie Ray Studios, which actually this is the last year for Willie Ray Studios. They're closing up. But there's a bunch of fun pieces in here, candle holders and plates and giant Santas.
And the consistency of them has been that way since they first started.
It's gorgeous,
just
gorgeous
delightful stuff.
Yes.
Well, you know, whether you are celebrating the Christmas holidays or whether you wish to celebrate any holiday, you can always go to gardentime.tv. We'll click over to their website, come on out and enjoy the fun. Thank you, Diana.
Thank you.